Noma besethu uyosaya siyosaya sisaya noma besethu uyosaya siyosaya noma.
My name is Meme Makaula. I'm the organizer. When workers are on strike, it is a very difficult situation, not only for workers, but also for the organizers.
Akuna kuhle ezindlini, akunayo ama-uniform, akuna stationary. Straka sinzima.
Uthando lwethu elamne likamama libuye le-affecteke since strike siyaqala.
Siyarenta nala sihlala khona, siyakweleta nje yabo mastendi indaba yethu nje.
Since ngihlala nomama kodwa yena uyawazi ukuthi amanuve yakhe impilo, hence ukwazile nokuthi abuyele ekhaya. Kwamanje ngisasengedwa endlini.
Sisebenza kanjani
Gives me faith and I believe
Funa le 2.5 isayifuna. Funa le permanent isayifuna. Funa la mashazi siyawafuna. Funa ne payslip isayifuna. Funa umsebenzi usonqoba qina.
Ubunzima boku-organize ama-labor broker workers ukuthi they are vulnerable, number one. And of course, two, they are scared ukuthi if they exercise ama-rights abo, bazolentuzana, bazostop ukubashedula from work, or bazobakhatha from a certain company babahlalise ekhaya. Clearly kuyabonisa ukuthi umqashi akanandaba nabasebenzi. Ukuze i-strike singaze sithathe isikhathi eside kangaka kuwukuthi labasebenzi they've been working for yena for isikhathi eside, and the only salary abayitholayo isemsebenzini. Maybe ngaphandle kanje, this means ukuthi akuna salary, akuna next. So lokhu kubaphekela ukubalethela ukudla kuyangijabulisa kakhulu, and I think you can see now they are excited to see us.
Abasebenzi base-CHEP abobaba bemizi, banabantwana, banabafazi. So ungathola, can you imagine if umama kasebenza ekhaya, abantwana baye esikolweni, ubaba nawe awusana income. So leyo nto le iyayidala ukucabana endlini kokuthi yabona lento yenu niqalile manje ayisapheli. So leyo nto le ivele izohlala ikhona, but mangabe une-partner le ngathi iya understanda, yes uzobekezela laphana lapha, but akusiwo wonke umuntu understandayo.
Kutwana hi ngatwanani vele ani mayitiva ku mali njhani loko ri mali mutini ku pfe u nga twananiwi.
Siyastruglisha kancane, impilo nje ayisafani, so kunzima kakhulu because mina ngisebenza amalanga, sometimes angihambi, sometimes ngiyahamba. So as it is now, sina 4 months singabhadali rent.
soloku ku-December asitholanga impahla nakhona sesiyovula manje ikole imali yokubhadala school fees, imali ye-stationery asinayo.
Alright, uphathana lapha emuzini wami naye ngisho ukuthi hayi ku-right nje ukuthi makungabe nemali akunemali naye senisho ukuthi hayi sekuyabona manje la niphanda ukhona niyaphanda ukuthi at least ikudla kube khona so akunalento le mina ningatayenza because the strike is strike and the strike saya phambili because le 2.5 siyayifuna le sifuna kusayifuna ema-payslip ama-benefit ya company siyawafuna lento lesiyilwelako impilo yethu impilo yabantwana impilo yakhe
into enkinga kakhulu ndinengane zine kuphela ukudla endlini kungabekho kudla because ukuthi ngizame ukuthi ngiyofuna imali kubomakhelwane kuma-relative sometimes kulalwe nje ungadliwanga la endlini ngesinye isikhathi ngesimo sokuthi i-stress esidose isikhathi eside abaqashi esibasebenzelayo abanalo iqiniso.
I-strike sase-CHEP siqale kanje abasebenzi at first when they came to la office they came for i-198 and i-198 it's deeming provision ukuthi babe ama-deemed employees ase-CHEP. However abazange i-CHEP ibenze permanent regardless ukuthi siye sawina i-case ye-deeming provision.
La company nendlela esihlukumezeka ngakhona since sine ruling asayiwina 20 esayifaka SSMA 2015 sayiwina 2019 but akukho nje okungathi kuyaphatheka okwaphuma ku ruling abelungu abasenzele kona ngoba abelungu bathi si deemed to CHEP manje abelungu balokhu benza i-strike and jive lana basitshela ukuthi asikho deemed to CHEP si deemed to i-contractor force.
Into esifuna kakhulu i-permanent status i-payslip ofuna ayichange ibize i-CHEP ingabuzi le contractor force.
Ya uyabona ke yona into kahle kahle evele yasikhupha sangisaya e-strike sisebenza i-labor broker sisebenza i-labor broker ke indaba yethu ke yaya emthethweni savula i-case from 2015 mina ngena ngithole i-case vele i-on ya kwaze kwafika u-2022 kwaphuma i-ruling yokuthi thina ke we are not abasebenzi baka-C-Force onguyena oyi-labor broker singabasebenzi baka-CHEP onguyena umnikazi womsebenzi. So ke yawinwa indaba yethu ngase ecourt to cut i-story sibe sifitshane saba deemed workers as be-CHEP. So ke now i-company ayifuni ukuthi singene ngaphansi kwe-CHEP isafuna ukuthi sibe ngaphansi kwa-C-Force onguye ongasuye umnikazi womsebenzi umsebenzi ngoka-CHEP. So ke now ke sesifayitha ke lo CHEP ukuthi CHEP asingene sithatheke ngoba umthetho uthi singabasebenzi bakho asibasebenzi baka-C-Force. U-C-Force khona ngale kumbe yini labor broker kumbe service provider angazi ngelanguage yangikhona kodwa ke thina ke singabasebenzi baka-CHEP. So ke u-CHEP uyasicindezela kumele ke sithole zonke ngoba umthetho uthi singabasebenzi bakhe sisebenzela yena yonke into etholwa umsebenzi ka-CHEP lathi kumele siyithole ama-shares permanent sibe permanent ku-CHEP. So bona ke basibribe ke basinikeza ukuze imali encane ba-equalize ama-rates bathe be-equalize ama-rates ngo-2022 bathula kunjalo. Sazama ukuthi siphushe ini into basibambe ngapha asigcina sedonsa izinyawo. So utheke ngomnyaka odlule 2025 August athi hayi sekuzwele madoda sesifuna le into esifunayo sifuna ukuba permanent sifuna ama-share scheme yonke lezi zinto esesifunayo so ke sangavumelani lo mqhathi saxhukaxhukana sagcina ke hayi sesithi hayi aziye saphuma saya e-striking.
Management have asked to speak to all workers, but workers have decided to send a committee into the plant to represent them. CHEP wants workers to go back, so they are offering to pay workers incentive of about 1 week if workers go back to work. However, CHEP doesn't want workers to receive a payslip coming direct from them. Therefore, CHEP wants to bribe workers with R500,000 to drop a payslip demand.
So nathi asivumelani nakho lokho ngathi ipendaba ye-payslip yiyo nathi esihambisa phambili fanele ayilungise.
Le ndaba ye-CHEP and CFOS uthi into le ifunawo ama-business lento zakhe ukuthi bazofuna ukuthi bakhulumisane bakubone ukuthi kwenzekani kanjalo. Yena umqashi simchazelile ukuthi okokuqala bona uma bekhuluma ukuthi le nto ayibekile esayidini izobona uma kuhamba isikhathi simchazile ukuthi phela le nto akusinto yamanje into yakudala kumele ngabe kade bakhulumisana nama-directors abo bebona ukuthi benza kanjani. And then nathi besilokhu sifaka izinto ey'thile ey'mayelana nayo le ndaba kuwama-meeting bekumele ngabe bawatshengele ama-director but ngokutshengisa kwabo ukuthi bona ba-ignorant lethwayo kade bevele beyiyeka la. So that's the reason enye uzokwenza ukuthi angeke sikhona ukuyihoxisa le nto. It's been isikhathi eside.
Le nto siyifuna siyimelela siyenzela thina ayibona la bantu la bangazosithola ukuthi iplant kwathini la senzela thina ayibona belo. Le nto siyilwela thina sithi abantu abahlukumezekayo basithi abantu abahlukumanayo bona mabadlale bazosithola apha ngaphandle.
So ngisakubuzile nabo lokho. So nathi can't we just make our own roughly meeting so that nabo they can stand in their own toes ukuthi nathi sibeke as much as we explained ukuthi abasebenzi bathi their agenda yabo abaphume ngayo. Okay, they are trying to resolve and recognize into uJack ayishoyo eye-business with the intention yokuthi baze ba-dissolve onke lama-demands but they only left with one.
Umqashi ufuna ukuba tricky. One uyazi ukuthi ngama-deemed employees funeke ni-permanent by operational of law. In fact, ni-ama-permanent. They are refusing to give you ama-benefits. And now, this thing ye-pay slip, this is the only way they see ukuthi you are going to be regarded as permanent as a CHEP. So that's why I refuse. And the proposal abayifakayo ukuthi let's pack ama-pay slip, we will deal with it on a later stage, but let's deal with these other demands, of which that's a priority kini comrades angithi i-demand yama-pay slip. So if athi aniyipake and then aze nge-proposal enganisuthi nina, what would you do now? Nebona comrades?
The employer wanted the workers to either, when they want the strike to be resolved, they wanted the workers to, it's 500,000, they wanted the workers to share that money. Workers did not want to take that money. They are still keen that they want to fight for this pay slip. They want to fight for being permanent at CHEP. Abasebenzi, they've been getting solidarity from the community that does demonstrations in different CHEP workplaces. So that on its own, it shows ukuthi not only just abasebenzi, the community is also behind abasebenzi and supporting abasebenzi for strike.
njengoba sizile la namhlanje sifuna ukubonisa umqashi ukuthi lento ayenzayo i-wrong kulabasebenzi base-CHEP. So sithemba ukuthi njengoba sizile la sizodemonstrate uzobona ukuthi lento labasebenzi abayifunayo i-serious and njengathi njengomphakathi nathi sithi makathathe labasebenzi permanent.
To take these workers permanent and give them an increase of 2.5 across the board, and they must be the workers must be given a PPE, CHEP PPE, branded CHEP PPE.
With the support of Simonya Workers Forum, kukwazile ukuthi kube possible ukuthi bayithole solidarity from the community. And then as well, bamobilize international solidarity where ama-unions angaphandle nawo ayenzile i-solidarity la bakhona.
Hey guys, CHEP Penrose here. We are in support for the CHEP Park Warehouse CHEP South Africa workers who are out in strike. We hope you guys get what you're seeking for from the CHEP Penrose team here. CHEP Penrose. 1, 2, 3. CHEP Penrose.
Today we've been protesting outside Brambles UK London office. We're demanding that Brambles management intervene in the dispute with CHEP workers in South Africa and end the illegal forced casualisation of those workers at CHEP Park. Solidarity with CHEP workers in South Africa. Shame on Brambles. Shame on CHEP. Solidarity. Solidarity. Solidarity.
Sizodemonstrate kule embassy yase-Australia sizoxhasa abasebenzi base-CHEP abaqala i-strike ngo-August nge-21 belwela ukuthi abaqashi babo mababenze permanent. Abanye babasebenzi sebenzele i-CHEP iminyaka 18 bengama-casual.
Now it's not for the first time we are coming the embassy in support of workers by CHEP Park striking. I can say we are facing crisis, including Tina community. Abafowethu nabengasasebenzi kuba ne-crisis la emphakathini, ingane ziyalamba, siyacela CHEP Brambles, siyacela come to the board and negotiate.
Isimunye Workers Forum kunama-volunteers lawa avukayo ekuseni babuye bazopheka baphekela lama-comrade lawa se-striking, because nesikhathi se-strike kunendlala. That is a fact. Kunendlala as much as sibonisa ukuthi yonke lento siyayifuna, lento siyifunayo, but indlala iba khona.
Yeah.
Lapha esizimei namhlanje size ngendaba yokuthi abelungu sithe ngoba sise-strikeni bangafuni ukusinikeza amalungelo wethu into ezinjengamabhonasi bawavala ngoba sise-strikeni bangasinikeza kodwa ezinye imali babe zikhiphile njenge-incentive mafuka bhonasi bathi ngeke bayisiyithola ngokuthi babezicela ukuthi basilake yiyo into bangoba sibe lapha esisemlei namhlanje.
Sisamile ekutheni lezi izinto esifuna size achieve ezenza saphuma ngaphandle sizithole.
Thina asizanga ukuzophela umoya angeke siwe manje icala liyaqhubeka liyaphambili if umcashi angazwisisi thina sisaya phambili umuntu omdala.
Siya phambili sithi phambili ngento esizifuna phambili ngama-share scheme phambili ngepermanent phambili nge-payslip ebhalwe check phambili nge-PPE ebhalwe check.
Funa le 2.5 isayifuna. Funa le permanent isayifuna. Funa la mashazi siyawafuna. Funa ne payslip isayifuna. Funa umsebenzi uzonqoba qina.